Hello and welcome. In this YouTube, we're talking about sharks. Sharks in Puget Sound, dogfish mostly, and are there a lot of them in particular areas that have a rocky bottom and a lot of current. These, let's say, mud sharks are about 3 feet, 4.5 feet, maybe some of the larger ones. But when you're out here salmon fishing in this particular area, get ready for dogfish after dogfish. And if you're a youngster that likes to catch these guys, this is the spot to be. As we continue our movement down along the shoreline, I haven't told you where we're at yet, but it's a real popular area. Everybody likes to fish this spot. And for some reason, it's dogfish after dogfish with guys that are out there jigging with herring or mooching or trolling. It doesn't matter. These fish are aggressive. Are you ready for this? Here's the location. Point Defiance. And is there a lot of dogfish in this area? Wow. Look at them here. Crazy, huh? How the swimming around in a big group. They're just cruising the seafloor, looking for something to eat. You just never can tell just what they're after. Now, I see a few ratfish in here as well. No salmon, just the sharks of Puget Sound. Now, there's a ratfish. You can see right there he is. That's pretty neat, isn't it? If you've just joined us for the first time, I want to welcome you to TMK Film. If you get a chance, swing over to our live feed on Dock Seas under Puget Sound. Now, there's a rope. An abandoned crab pot out here somewhere. And there is another shot of Point Defiance. Thanks for watching, everybody, and continued good success out there.